Global FX Radio YouTube's Forex Market Wrap-Up Show. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, with today's October 22nd, 2008 Wrap-Up Show. What a day! What a day! What a doggone day! Oh my goodness. I think printing money would be the apropos word to use. Pretty hard buying these things and selling these things down here, these levels, but I tell you, momentum rules. Stock market looks terrible, closed like death. The dollar looks like it's going to continue its route. No sign of reversal, no soup for you. Sterling dollar down a stunning, absolute stunning 600 pips. Sterling yen down 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips! Euro yen down 700 1 point. I mean, oh my goodness, dogs and cats living together. Mass hysteria. But I'll tell you what, I've been reluctant to do it. I'm making the call, baby. This is it. Now, doesn't mean we're not going to go lower. Doesn't mean we're not going to go higher first. I think sterling dollar we're going to look at. I think first we go a lot lower, but I think we get that massive tail. I think it's time. This is overdone. Enough. It's time for a rally. This has been the biggest capital flight of money from hedge funds that are meeting redemptions. This is just, we've been talking about this. If you've been a listener to my YouTube, you know we've been talking about this for a long time. And now it's in the papers. If that isn't a signal to me that it's over, this dollar move is over, because we've been talking about hedge fund redemptions now for 3 weeks, I think I've been talking about it. There's a panic going on. Money's coming back to the United States. Investors want their money back. Wealthy individuals. And we're seeing that massive panic flight. And now it's coming on TV. 3 weeks later, I smell it. I smell the reversal. Absolutely. I think it's probably going to be on London retail sales. But as far as this dollar index is concerned, up and away. I don't see any real resistance on dollar index till 87.39. That's another 200 points. So who knows where we're going to go today. Just look at what happened last August when we reversed in the market. And that's like what's something going to happen today. It's going to be insane. Aussie dollar down 500, up closes up 200. Something insane. Because you know it's never easy. But I think it's over. All right? Is that a reversal bar? Hell no. There's no hammer there. The euro looks terrible. It's busted. No support at all. I don't even know what that line is. Channel line is coming up. So this euro, should it break through our channel line, which I would imagine it's going to, of the lows of today and make new lows, it looks like 125 easy is in the cards. 125 easy. Listen, they might sell it off and then reverse it in a matter of minutes. But I cannot imagine that the euro will not make new lows. Could it make new lows by 20 pips and then explode? Absolutely. Could it make new lows and go down another 150 and melt like butter? Absolutely. But one thing I am for sure is that the lows will be taken out at some point tonight. Again, it's one of the things I like doing this 24 hours because, I mean, look at these moves we've had. Stop outs. I mean, I got stopped out in some trades last night. I mean, but last night was easy actually. But a lot of the times we get stopped out before we're right. And sometimes if you just follow my bias for the day, boy, if you can hang in there. I mean, look at this dollar yen. It's busted. I don't see any support in dollar yen until these lows here. What was that? 96.90, and then 96.90. We take out 96.90. Say hello to 95.90. And you know my year-end price target in dollar yen is 80. 80. 85 for sure. 95 to 111. Measure the move, right? We went up 1,600 pips from 95. Say hello to 80. If not 79. Here's Johnny. It's a one-way freaking street. Oh my goodness. What a day. It didn't do so well in the 8 a.m. session though. Tried to pick a bottom in the carry trade. Sterling, that move at noon. What was that move at cable at noon? Would someone please tell me? That was like the noon massacre. The noon massacre. I mean, what was that today? Damn. Look at that massacre. 200 pips. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I think it's rolling over. I think sterling dollar is a short. I think retail sales are going to be an abomination. I'll say it again, an abomination. 5 o'clock, we're selling everything. Remember, it's triple roll tonight. We sell everything at 5 o'clock. New Zealand dollar looks very vulnerable. That thing rallied after that interest rate decision. Selling the news event, but I got to tell you, I'm liking that Aussie and New Zealand trade tonight. Triple roll. Absolutely. So sterling dollar, no sign of a bottom. Sterling dollar looks like it's rolling over. Certainly the bottom end of this channel, I would imagine. Easy. And that's about 161. Easy. Actually, that's like 160.50. So sterling dollar, again, looks very vulnerable right now. It's so illiquid. It moves in 50 pip increments. Be very careful. I mean, it's insane what this thing does. The market liquidity right now is just dried up. The moves are incredible, people, so please be very careful. Euro sterling, don't leverage yourself up. Cut your size down. Increase your stops. Increase your limits. Euro sterling, it's probably going higher. I mean, listen, King came out and said we're going into a recession. He's the first country to say it, which is such a joke because we've been in a recession in the United States. It's like such a joke that the market's reacting with this comment so dramatically when we know everyone's in a recession. It's nothing new. Euro sterling, it could bounce up to 80, 50 and still be a short. Daily chart looking good. I guess you got to buy the pullbacks. But if retail sales are horrible, I would look for this euro sterling to make a nice move higher. Cable probably going to test that 60 level. People, if you think last night was crazy, get ready for another insane night. It's not over. Euro yen. Daily chart. Let's look at the daily first, then the hourly. Pull, flag, pull. Pull, flag, pull. How easy was that? Never rallied. Guess what? We shorted it. Only at the highs of the day, 131.50. The high print. Now that happens sometimes. Listen, when you sell the bounces, hey, you miss them sometimes too. 3-year low, meltdown city, bye-bye, say hello to 120. 120. I think we go to 120, we might close at 130. Some insane reversal day needs to happen. Hourly chart doesn't look very good. $5 o'clock, here we go. It's 5 p.m. right now. Let's see if this carry trade starts to work, baby, to the downside. Aussie dollar looking very good. So, Euro yen, again, hourly chart, nice downtrend channel. Well, it doesn't take out this 126 level. I think this looks awesome to the downside. Stock market, yeah, rallied a couple hundred points at the end of the day, but big deal. It's going lower first, baby. It's going lower first. Again, if you have any questions about any aspect of my program, go on premium, people. I'm helping people make money. And I'm teaching, and I'm learning, and I'm helping. For $200 a month, and again, remember, I do a 3-month deal, so you can try me out for 3 months for only $400. You can't do the 1-week trial if you do that. But I promise you, if you don't like me after a day or two, I'll give you your money back. I'm not going to keep your money if you don't like it after a day or two. But again, everyone's happy. Everyone's making money. You're crazy not to go premium. But listen, you freebies, it's all right. I give you enough for free. So I know $200 is a lot of money to a bunch of people, but think about how much money I could be making it. Oh, baby. 160, big spot in this sterling yen. I think, again, any bounces, it's a short. Why did I cover that short? Listen to my radio show. I shorted it right on that bounce before 5 o'clock at 159.60. Covered it for 60 pips. But again, hourly chart does not look good. Again, the bounces look like they should be sold. This would have to take out 161 short term and really even take out 163 for me to get scared. 164. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Have a nice night. Get ready. Another crazy one.